Yuta summoning Rika from Culling games. That last episode, I thought it was incredible. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, we're going to start with his big sleepy eyes. Well, the one we can see anyway, and then there's a big hand. So, go. Spike, and curve it that way. And then it comes back and they're kind of like real flat because they try and do it like the manga. I like the way they use the manga drawings in this actually. So it's big at the front here. It's like a heavy shadow in here. So then the bottom part of his eye, just like a curve, swooping around. And then his blue eye just in here. And then we'll do the pupil. Just there, and if you want, like sometimes there's these lines just coming around there. So, top eyelid there, and then it looks like he's got like these just bags around his eyes. And then his nose kind of line, and then the eyebrow just going like that way. It's got like a square end and it goes back there. Now there's all like hatching and all that kind of stuff. If you want to do all that, you can. Oh, this kind of loads in there. So it looks like his nose is covered and we can see a bit of his mouth. So maybe we'll do like side of his face here. Like that, and then down to his jaw. And then we go around for his chin. And it disappears underneath the hand, right? So the hand is all here. And we can just see like a little bit of his mouth, like a downturned sort of mouth in there. And then his bottom lip. So it's all about the hand, but we'll get as much of this as we can. So his hairline, right, just above this eye. So say like here, put a V, and then we'll zigzag this way. And then it'll sort of zigzag this way then. And then we get like a hair spike here. And this big one over behind fingers over there, but we'll do this side. His ear like in there. And then there is the rest of his hair just on this side. And then his neck just in there. So I think so. Top of his head then just goes this way. Then I'll go off the top of the page and like back in here somewhere. That's all hand. So we see his collar. Just around here. Shoulder goes off. Just all these folds and stuff on his clothing. Okay. That's the main parts on this side. We've got to do this hand now with the ring. So we can kind of see like his pinky here, right? And then his ring finger there, and then middle finger there, and then index finger there. So those three are kind of nearly in line with that one sticking up, and the pinky's like the lowest. So we'll go like this. Pinky. It's drawn real sharp like the manga. So pinky there. And then the ring. Finger with the ring on it. There. So this comes up. Out for his knuckles. The real kind of square. Fingers. And the index finger. Roughly like this. And then it comes to the thumb, which is just around here. And then the palm of his hand just goes down. That way, so it kind of looks like a glove at the minute. So we'll just add like fingernails, just these details. Like the pinky is going back towards his face, so it's like that kind of. Can't see it on his thumb. There's like the jewel on the ring finger. And there's all these knuckles and stuff. Like that, right on the pinky. There's knuckle lines going down this way. They become like the bones of your hand, like all these hand lines. And then the way JJK does it, it's like this. Okay, so that's basically the hand. So there's like another piece of collar there. So we got to like fill in the gaps now. So his neck, the eyes, the rest of his hair. You can see a bit of eye in there. I'll do the hair and stuff first. I'll do the easy bits first. So we'll go. So it's all like hair here. piece of his ear in there. And then there's more hairlines. So, what else? Collar, button. You could leave the eye out. That's an option if you don't want, if you're like not a fan of trying to do things in between. It would kind of look good anyway, especially if you like made this sort of blue around here, if you were coloring. He does have blood here actually. And then the shoulder goes off. But for anyone who wants the full thing, so we get his other eye in here. So this is his top eyelid, this big black eyelid again. And then we got blue eye. And the bottom of it about here. Then we get eyelid line. And then his eyebrow about here. There's lots of hatching and stuff underneath all this. And he does have like some scratches on his face from the fight, you know, he's got like some of this stuff going on. Should you see his nose? Maybe not, maybe so. Hard to know. Such a cool Yuta heavy episode. Can't wait for the next season. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.